Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. Before we start today's video, like, comment and share. On this channel we showcase major developmental projects happening in Ghana and some beautiful hidden places. Yes, so if you like to discover more about Ghana, then subscribe to this channel and let's do that together. So in today's video, we are here to check up on one of the major construction projects that is changing Ghana. Yes, this is the Accra Nsawam Road construction project. Yes, Accra Nsawam Road construction project. If you live in Accra or travel beyond the capital regularly, then you already know one thing. The Accra to Nsawam Road is not just a road, it is a lifeline. The highway connects the capital city, Accra, to the eastern region through Nsawam, but it doesn't stop there. It forms part of the major corridor linking Accra to Kumasi and other northern parts of the country. Every day, thousands of commuters, traders and heavy-duty trucks, commercial drivers and private car owners depend on this road. For years, this stretch has been one of the busiest and unfortunately one of the most stressful routes in Ghana. Traffic congestions, frequent accidents, vehicle breakdowns, delays in transporting goods, lost productivity, frustration of drivers and passengers. But today, something significant is happening. The ongoing reconstruction and expansion of the Accra Nsawam Highway is not just another road project. It is a strategic national investment with long-term economic, social and safety benefits. If you've ever driven from Accra towards Nsawam during peak hours, especially around Pokuase and Nsawam, then you know the struggle. Hours of gridlocks. Sometimes what should be a 40-minute journey turns into 2 to 3 hours. The expansion of this road is designed to increase lane capacity, improve interchanges, and allow smooth vehicle movement. More lanes means fewer bottlenecks. Properly engineered interchange reduce dangerous merging. Better road design improves traffic flows. When traffic moves efficiently, travel time is saved, and time is money, as we all say. This highway has recorded numerous of accidents over the years. Narrow lanes, poor shoulders, pedestrian crossing without proper infrastructure, and impatient overtaking have contributed to crashes. With modern road construction comes improved safety features, better lane markings, clear road signs, pedestrians walking, proper drainage systems, stronger road shoulders, street line in critical areas. Very soon, this road will have it all. This improvement reduces the risk of collision and make driving safer for every drivers, passengers and pedestrians. This road is a major transport corridor. Goods from farms and factories in the eastern region and beyond are transported daily to market in Accra. Heavy trucks carrying food supplies, construction materials, fuel, and industrial products all use this route. When the road is congested or damaged, transport costs increase. Vehicles consume more fuel in traffic. Perishable goods spoil during days, business loses money. A smoother, wider, well-constructed highway reduces travel time and transportation costs. This increases efficiency for businesses and boosts trade between regions. Please like the video, comment, share and subscribe. Areas along the Accra Nsawam stretches are rapidly developing. Communities like Pokuase, Amasaman, Medie, and Nsawam are expanding due to population growth and housing demand. Improved road infrastructure encourage investment. Real estate developers are more confident to build. Businesses are more willing to set up shops and offices. Job opportunity also increases. So this is the ongoing Accra Nsawam Road construction project. As you can see, we are here today to give you the updates on what is happening on the ground. So I will encourage you to support this channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. And if you like to see more beautiful places here in Ghana and other developmental projects happening, then subscribe to this channel and let's do that together. My name is Daniel, but you can call me Nanaya for short. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope to see you in the next one. Now let's see what is happening on the ground.
What's up, everyone? Welcome once again to the channel where we tour, explore, discover, learn and entertain. Every road, every street, every story. This is Flash G. Camera rolling, city beating, let the journey start. From the first light of morning to the glow after dark. If you love real places, real life, reality, then stay right here. Welcome to Flash G. Well, it's steady through the city, no rush, no disguise. Every frame telling truth through a wide open eye. From busy intersections to a calm seaside breeze. Flash G. Let's capture moments, let the visual speak. We don't just pass through, we pause and observe. Every movement on the road got meaning and nerve. If you wanna understand how the city still grows, Flash G. H on the ground, yeah, the camera shows. Take your time, take a look, let the picture unfold. Every corner got a story that's waiting to be told. From development signs till everyday life. Flash G. H bring the balance, struggle and pride. Welcome to, yeah, this is the place where we turn, explore every city and space. Discover, learn, entertain. That's the vision we see. Every road and every story. Only on Flash G. Welcome to Flash G. Press play and stay. Real views, real movement every single door. If you love street tours and reality, then you're right at home on Flash G. My name, Nana, yeah, I'm behind the lens. Taking you on journeys far beyond trends. Not just beauty and lights, but the truth in between. How the cities are working, how the systems are seen. Infrastructure rise and roads connected live. From early morning traffic to the late night drive. If you're home or abroad, still connected you'll be. Through the lens and the movement of Flash G. So relaxed, no stress, let the camera guide. Through the heart of the city and the people inside. If you want real Ghana, not edited reality, then lock in the channel, this is Flash G. Welcome to, yeah, this is a place where we turn and explore every city in space. Discover, learn, entertain. Like the mission we see. Every road, every story. Only on Flash G. Don't scroll away. Hit some stop, say lock, you come ride with me. You can lost reviews and real life energy. Then you belong right here on Flash G. We show the progress and the pace of the land. How the city keeps moving with its people's hands. From construction zones to quiet lanes. Flash G. Every scoreline tells a promise of tomorrow. Every road carries hope, pain, and sorrow. We don't judge, we record, we let time decide. Flash G, hey. Walking forward with the city's drive. Fast cooking the camera to the final edit. Every video a record, yeah, we never regret. This is more than content, this is history made. Moments captured forever, yeah, they never fail. The first click of the camera, the final edit. Every video a record, yeah, we never regret it. This channel stays clear. So take a breath, slow down, enjoy the view. Every second on screen was recorded for you. If you love true movement and simplicity, then stay on the journey. Flash G, this is Flash G. Oh. Journey begins from the streets to the skyline. Let the story sink in. Tour, explore, then discover. Learn and entertain. Press play once more, yeah, press it again. This is Flash G.
What's up, everyone?
Welcome once again to the channel where we tour, explore, discover, learn and entertain. Every road, every street, every story. This is Flash G. Camera rolling, city breathing, let the journey start. From the first light of morning to the glow after dark. If you love real places, real life, reality, then stay right here. Welcome to Flash G. Well, it's steady through the city, no rush, no disguise. Every frame telling truth through a wide open eye. From busy intersections to calm seaside breeze. Flash G. Let's capture moments, let the visual speak. We don't just pass through, we pause and observe.